Are we sticking you in the doghouse? Hi and welcome to Friday. This morning Chris dropped Roxy off at the vet's. Last week she had gone for her final dose of chemotherapy, so the specialist has reviewed everything and has said that we need to do a scan of her organs and also take a sample from her lymph nodes, and then depending on the outcome of those results we can then know what course of action to take going forward. So I'm going to be picking her up in about half an hour. Okay, I haven't heard from the vets, so she should be fine. Just need to find out the results, which obviously I'm a bit nervous about. In the meantime, I have something to show you. So yesterday was Chris's birthday, as you know, and let me just turn this off because that's quite noisy. So this little guy, he likes to chill out here on Chris's mini seats, which are in desperate need of cleaning. I need to do that. Hopefully I can do that this weekend. But anyway, yeah, he chills out here. And I came downstairs and discovered this. Well, as you can see, looks like somebody has been climbing up the blinds, which I'm not very happy about. I'm assuming he probably saw a fly or something. So what I need to do is I need to go through every single one of them that he's broken and cut them out, which is not going to be the easiest of tasks. There we go, that's one. I will eventually look to replace the blind. We put these blinds in. There weren't any blinds when we came here. But right now, not really something that I can afford. So let me just do this and see what it looks like. Okay, it doesn't look as bad as I thought it was going to do. It was quite dramatic actually seeing it like that. There's 5 slats missing. Most importantly, the blinds are here just to give us a bit of a privacy, because if you can see over there we've got a really low fence panel. So it still gives us a bit of privacy, but it's not ideal. Oh my god. Right, are we going to stick you in the doghouse? Are we sticking you in the doghouse? Roxy's home. Roxy, yeah, say hi. Hello, Roxy. She was very happy to be home when she got out of the car. Stick a light on. Right, shall we take this off and then you can just chill out? There we go. Right, okay, you're gonna go to bed now. You're gonna go to bed. Go on then. Go to bed. Good girl. You're going to lie down? Lie down then. Good girl. Good girl. Right, you might be able to hear downstairs. There's a big dispute going on between Chris and Charlie at the moment about Grimm and what's happening in it and what we've seen and what we understand. So apologies if you hear a few raised, excitable voices. But I just wanted to show you this. the in the last vlog I was trying to tell you about the eye ring, and then I got a little bit distracted by Charlie rolling around on the bed and Roxy. But the good thing about the eye ring is, look at this. It's also, whilst it is a hook, it also is a stand. So it lets the phone rest like that. And also, because you can turn it around, you can have it going however you want. So I think it's a fantastic purchase and absolutely love it and use it all the time. Right, I've just come back from a really long dog walk with Michelle. Oh my goodness. How am I going to get through? Okay. Yeah, so I just come back from a dog walk with Michelle and her dog Johnson and Roxy. Roxy is absolutely knackered in the house. But I've just had an SOS from Chris. He's over at his dad's at the moment, but he's forgotten loads of stuff. So he sent me a text message with details about what he's forgotten. Let's have a quick look. So he's forgotten wires on the bar. I guess it's those. Oh my goodness. This is not gonna work. There's just so much crap. Right. Also, a plastic bag with a rectangular back in it. What? A plastic bag? Can you see it? Plastic bag. What's this? No, that's screws. There's a plastic bag. What's that? Maybe that? Oh my god, I'm just knocking stuff. This garage is ridiculous. Plastic bag with a rectangular... I don't think it is that. And if you can get to it, in the back corner there's a bag for life with locking sections for the door. A bag for life. It could be down there, but I don't think I'm going to. Right, I'm going to have to call him.
Hello?
Hello?
Hiya.
Right, okay, so I've got the wires.
Yeah.
Hopefully I've picked up every single one.
There should be a plastic bag. It was in the hallway. I don't think it'll be at the back. I think it'll be close to the front. Stop moving so quickly.
It's my feet.
Yeah, okay.
How many
That's
steps
great.
forward?
Yeah, take 2 steps forward and turn to your left. That's 1 step for a start.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, now turn to your left. Okay.
Oh, what's that?
No. Is it, like I say, it's a Tesco's bag. Tesco's carrier bag.
Ah, my foot is stuck. My foot caught on that.
Despicable.
Notice I've moved the wheels so I can actually get through without killing myself. Can I just
Yeah, if
kick
you want
this to
to.
one side?
Yeah, move that to one side.
Okay.
If you want, you could bring those wheels.
Yeah, I would really like to actually. Because then
Yeah.
they're gone. Okay, I'll do that. Could it be in the house?
No, because you wouldn't let me keep it in the house. Oh, it's in that tub there. There's a Tesco's bag in there.
That?
The
Okay.
Tesco's bag, yeah.
Okay, so I've got this, this,
Yep.
and this.
Yep.
Anything else?
Well, like I say, in that back corner,
Right.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. See you in a bit.
Bye. See you.
Good morning. We are up really early actually on Sunday morning. We're going to head over to Verwood so that we can go and pick up some jars for the wedding. And then we're going to go for a walk, aren't we? Roxy's having cuddles with Chris right now. And I'm surprised Socks isn't here. He's on the window. I don't know if you can see behind the lamp a little silhouette of Socks. He's probably checking outside to make sure that none of his nemesis are out there. You just want cuddles, don't you? We've just filled up with petrol and now we're going to go to the tip. In LA, they have bins that pick up their rubbish with, and like no men come out. Like I think it's like a claw or something that picks it up. Did you know that, Chris?
No, I didn't.
That's mental, isn't it? Like what happens if the claw accidentally knocks it and it falls over? Do they have to get out or do they leave it? Interesting. I wonder if they're going to do it here.
The union uproar.
Yeah, probably. That's true, because everything's privatised in America, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Thank you. We are at Cannon Hill Plantation. I've never been here before. It looks really cute. It's like the New Forest with all the picnic tables. Where are we? So if we walk, does it tell you how many miles? Oh really? Come on then, look, Roxy. Let's do it. Look at this funky tree that somebody's decorated. It's been like that for a while because I remember coming here last year or the year before and it was painted up. This is a mound, which is an ancient burial ground. There's bodies there now.
Probably a body at the bottom, isn't it?
Ooh. Right, I now need to walk down here without falling. Look at Roxy go. Fingers crossed I make it. Okay, I made it. I'm at the bottom with no falls, which is good. Roxy! Thank you. Didn't realise it came back on itself. We just got some vinyl for the hallway. Right, I've started to box up some bits and pieces for the wedding. And I'm also going to do some spray painting of some tin cans. They look all right. I'm quite impressed with them. Some of them, the labels hadn't come off properly, so I think I'm going to have to pull those bits off. Might have to do a second coat as well. But they look really nice. Not bad for canned dog food. Right, okay, so we're in bed now. We've had quite a full-on day of DIY sorting. We haven't done the carpet today because by the time we got back it was about 2 o'clock and I really didn't want to start it and then find out that it was a bigger job than I had first thought. I've never done a carpet before, so I just cracked on with some DIY, and we are now going to watch Pirates of the Caribbean, the third one. What is it called?
At World's End or something like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, have you seen this one?
Kind of recollect it, but not sure.
It's 2 hours 45 minutes. So Chris made me a coffee in the hope that I stay up, but it's likely that I probably won't make it. So we're going to put this on now. So I will see you later. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.